Let's make salt and pepper shrimp. First, you're going to peel and devein your shrimp. Once complete, set aside for later use. Next, let's make our dry seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. Next, we're going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of lemon pepper, followed by 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1/8 of a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. Give it a mix, combine well. Ooh. So this is going to be a garlicky Cajun lemon pepper, salt and pepper shrimp. Now I have my dry seasoning. All right, we're going to set this aside. And now we're going to work on our seasoning for our dry rub for our shrimp. In a mixing bowl, add 1/8 of a teaspoon of bay seasoning, followed by 1/2 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and lastly, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. Give this a mix, combine well. Let's set this aside for later use. In a mixing bowl, add 1.5 pounds of shrimp, or 24 large pieces. Next, season this with your shrimp seasoning, followed by 3/4 of a cup of cornstarch. Next, mix and combine well. Make sure everything's evenly coated. Like this. Once you're done, set this aside for later use. Next, go ahead and bring up your frying oil. So while our oil is heating up, let's go ahead and thinly slice our jalapenos and chop our onions. I like mine about that size. Alright, all set. Let's go ahead and deep fry our shrimp. I'm gonna deep fry mine in the basket. Alright, it's been 5 minutes and we're done. Keep going if you want it more crispy. This is how I like it. Set aside for the use. On high heat in a wok or a pan, add vegetable oil. Add your desired amount of garlic. I like a lot. Once that's fragrant, we're gonna throw in our jalapenos. Once it has a little glaze, you're gonna throw in your sliced onions. I'm gonna stir this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, throw 2 tablespoons of butter. Next, we throw in our shrimp, followed by our seasoning. Give that a toss. Combine well. And shut off the heat and you're done. There's your salt and pepper shrimp, Cajun lemon pepper. Enjoy.